Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Father's Day card. This card is made up of two origamis, one of a shirt and one of a tie. The coolest part is that you can add a third piece of paper where you can write a message. It can be a picture, a drawing, or anything else you can imagine. To make the shirt, you'll need a whole A4 sheet. If you only have letter, it's okay, it works too. The first step is to fold it in half. So we can bring the bottom side to the top. After that, we can unfold it and fold the bottom and top edges to the middle. Once that's done, we can rotate the paper in this position. Next, we'll open up the top part, folding the two corners from the middle to the sides. We can start with the right side, bringing it to the right, roughly at this height. Then we try to fold the same amount on the other side. For the next step, rotate the paper, flip it over, and fold a part of the top side down. Let's flip it over again. Then we'll bring the two corners to the middle, creating these angles. And as the last step for the shirt, we'll take this larger side and bring it under these top layers. Make a crease. And we have our origami shirt. To make a proportional tie, you'll need a square piece of paper about 10 by 10 centimeters. The first step is to fold it diagonally in half. Then we can unfold it, rotate it in this position. Now let's bring the two top edges to the middle. First the right side, then the left side. Next, we need to flip it over, fold the top corner down, and then back up, leaving a small gap. Let's go back to the other side. Bring the right side to the middle, the larger part, In the end, we'll just flatten the paper, like this. Do the same on the other side. And we have our origami tie. Putting the two parts together is very simple. We just need to unfold the first layer of the shirt and fold the tip over the top. Close everything again. If you want to add a third piece of paper with a message, just make sure that this part is a little smaller than the front of the shirt. To fit it into the card, just unfold it, slide the paper into this triangular space here, then reassemble everything. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.